In March 16, 1521, when Magellan discovered the Philippine island, they're sailing tianite across the big ocean until they saw as Limasawa Island. Very historical. Last April 5, 1966, tunay tilibling pandemya nga niapod sa Kandihay, Bohol. Daghang nangamatay nga taga-Kandihay tungod sa maong pandemya. Ang ngalan sa pandemya, kolera. Kining kolera, very dangerous. Continuous exit from our mouth and continuous fouling. So no other way. People should come to die because during that time, 1966, wala pa'y available nga medicine how to stop that. So, almost 1,000 people died in Kandihay, Bohol. Dakong pasalamat namo sa among Padre Paroko sa anda niyadtong panahon na tungod kay ang maong pari, very informative. He heard information that after Kandihay isunod ang anda nga gusto usab nga mukuha sa kalibong tao nga taga-anda. Unsay iyang gibuhat, gabutang siya cruise diri to drive away the bad spirit of cholera. Abi ninyo, niyatong adlaw, niyatong panahon na tungod ning mga cross, walay bisang usang taga-anda namatay. Very historical and powerful. And for your information, this cross where came from Portugal. The one who broke this cross was the famous Guy Ferdinand Magellan, who discovered the Philippine island in March 1651. The first island landed by Magellan and his group, Limasawa, belongs to Southern Leyte. And the first mass was held there. And after sa unang misa nga giheld sa Limasawa Island, Magellan and his group came here in Lamanok Island and brought this cross. And the original position of this cross was there in Shaman's Cave, which is one of our destination today. Apong itulugin nyo kung asa ni giugpok ni mga cross. And then, while the pandemic arrived in Kandihay, Bohol, nasa nakadungog ang Padre Paroko sa anda nga isunod ang among lungsod, gibutang ni diri, gikuha nito sa Shaman's Cave, Shaman's Cave, gibutang diri to drive away. Very, very historical and powerful. It was